Welcome to Amor Educat.
Let's learn about the letter A. Can you say A? Let's go! A is for apple. Apple.
Red and round and super yummy. Take a bite, crunch in your tummy.
A is for apple.
Marching, marching, don't they chant? Tiny legs and working hard, crawling through your backyard.
What do you see? So many A words just for me. Wave your hands and shout hooray. It's the amazing letter A. A is for alligator. Alligator. Snap your jaws like a chomping gator. Chomp, 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 now give a grin. Let's all do the gator spin. Spin around. It's for airplane. Airplane. Zoom so high through clouds and rain. Fly your arms from left to right. We're soaring through the sky tonight. Shout it out loud. A is awesome, say it proud. Stomp your feet, then swing and sway. We're rocking with the letter A.
Say A.
Say apple. Say ant. Say alligator.
Say airplane.
Say A.
Awesome job.
Now you know. Letter A from head to toe. Give a clap and shout hooray. See you next time with letter B day.
Subscribe for more content.